You will be amazed by this 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, fog lamps, bed liner, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Powerful versatility meets comfortable convenience in the Silverado 1500. Come in and drive it.